Hey, welcome, fellow schoolers, fellow business owners, and those that want to get into business. You found me. My name is Jeff from the 360 Business Academy. I also run the #1 electrical contracting social media channel to help people start their own electrical contracting companies, and for those that already have one, to level up as Jeff, the 360 Electrician. I have now come to Skool because the demand has been there for me to take my 47 years of business education in the home service and in the sales, marketing, hiring, firing, insurances, legal, all that information that's locked in this brain that helped thousands and thousands of people level up their business, including over 1,200 direct coaching calls. I bring it all to you in the Skool platform, and I'm going to kick it off for all my new members. Now, if you're in the basic $97 plan, we are kicking it off with the 8-week business playbook. And all of it starts with AI. Why AI? Because AI is the future. And if you're not a pro at AI now, you're already behind the game. I want to take you from 0 to 360 when it comes to your business, and AI is the starter. We're going to make sure that you understand AI, understand how to use AI, and how you're going to train AI to literally be your first employee or literally your personal assistant, your marketing team, whatever you want to call them. For me, it's HR and everything above. I use AI for everything. That's why I own my trains. I don't run my trains. And by the way, I don't have a back office for 2 brick and mortar electrical contracting companies and running the #1 YouTube channel for electricians. If you want to head over to the 360electrician.com, you can take a look at my channel. I've got over 85,000 followers on all 3 of the big platforms. Guys, this is it. Week 1 of the 8-week playbook. It's going to start with AI, and you are invited even if you're trying us out for free. Now, if you want to know if you want to go to the next level, which is our medium paying tier, it's an investment. I know that. I'm asking a lot from you, but I'm also telling you there's no other channel, not even on Skool, that's going to give you the experience that I have here. That's real world experience over 47 years, not just me getting lucky and selling my business a few years in, or learning some little marketing or lead gen secret. We're using Facebook ads to get lead gen, and that's how you're going to make $1 million. No. You can't get to $1 million if you don't do this the right way. It takes one layer on top of the other, on top of the other. Let me give you an example. We use AI because it's the foundation to help us do all the other levels. But do you know what's in week #2? Vision. You have to know where you're going. You have to know what your end game is before you start. It's like this. You're going to build your business, and you all think that my business is going to be a skyscraper. Good for you. God bless you. I'm helping you do that. But most of us, let's be honest, we're not building skyscrapers. We want to build 30-story apartment buildings, right? But if you start out with your foundation to be a duplex, you know how hard it is to readjust to try to get to the 30-unit apartment building? So I want you to have a skyscraper foundation, but then again, a skyscraper foundation takes a lot of money up front, and then you're going to get burned out, and you're going to end up with a duplex because you ran out of steam, money, or enthusiasm, or you stopped coming to class. I want to build you something that's completely scalable. Let's just say in that 50-unit apartment building, perfect size foundation, affordable, but yet can hold the weight of what your business is going to become 3 years from now, 5 years from now, or like me, 21 years later, and I'm still scaling. I'm also going to teach you my micro franchising, which is the end game. Once you're off the tools, your goal is to build your business to a point where you are off the tools and you own the trains. You're not running the trains anymore. Nobody else can give you that promise or guaranteed. And I do it every single day. I'm literally here because I want to be here. My motto is not more money. You can always make more money. You know what you can't make more of? That's time. So I'm going to teach you in a way that's always going to value your time more than money, right? Because the money will come. Don't worry about that. But time, you'll never get it back. So I'd rather have you do the things you want to do because you want to do them, not because you have to do them. You like it? I like it too. All right, let's get into Skool. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. If I were you, I would just jump right in and go to tier 2. It's my weekly coaching. We're going live. We're answering all questions, and we're leveling you up with the 8-week Contractor's Playbook. Now, Let's just say, Jeff, I'm already in. I've got some funds. I want to go next level. Then get into my VIP. My VIP is not only a separate coaching per week, but it is a direct line to me for every single step of your business from now until you get to the point where I have let you got wings and you flew and you got way bigger than I did. That's the goal here, and that is the VIP package. Look, whatever you're comfortable with, do it, but don't hesitate. Don't wait. Try it out, even if it's for a month. You will not be disappointed. And here's another reason why. I will always start you off with making money. Week number 3 after vision is finances and money. Why? Because if you don't have fuel in the tank, your rocket ship ain't going anywhere. And I want you to have so much money right up front so you can pay for more of this course, more of our coaching, and more time for you to relax with family and have some time off, right? Make the money, then come back and spend more money. I'm not the guy that's going to ask you for everything up front because I think it's a bunch of bull crap. I want to show you before I teach you. And that is the whole goal of this channel. All right, it's enough. You know you're getting a lot because I don't never stop talking. I'm 100% business and I'm 100% ready to level you up because without you, there is no me. Let's get into school.